going on, Pro Cutters? John, back with another project.
Alright, so on this last one, I'm going to show you how I install the drawer slides. You need a little bit of spacing on them. And so what I'm using for a spacer is a piece of 1/2-inch ply. Set that up there. And another piece of 1/2-inch ply, because that's what my drawer fronts are, to set the drawer front. So now that that's in position, slide this out a little bit, enough so you can get the first screw in. Any of these holes will do. And once you get that first screw in, go ahead and put that back and just check your depth again. So I want it just slightly in from this edge, so that's perfect. And you slide this out and put 2 more screws in, because you want 3 in each rail. And you can pre-drill these. You don't have to just run them in with the drill, but you can. And then the same on the other side. Okay, and to screw the slides to the drawers, I'm using a thin piece of glass to put under the drawer, and that's going to give me the clearance I need to have the drawer slides connect. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. Full opening drawers. Okay, so here's something that you shouldn't have to do, but when you're dealing with inferior Chinese products, no offense China, but when you make things cheap, this is what happens. So even though these are supposed to be quality drawer pulls, I'm having to chase out the holes with a tap because they're so buggered up. This hardware that they sent with it will only go in 1/8 of an inch, which is not enough to get it tight into the drawer. So just be aware, sometimes you may have to do a little extra work. Thanks for watching. This is John with the ProCut. Another one done. Thank you.